Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you all had a smashing Christmas Eve. And because it's Christmas, I have to put my Santa hat. We have something special for you. Today, we are going to make use of the strawberry puree that we made last week. This time, we are going to make a strawberries and cream Frappuccino. So, let's get blending. For a delightful strawberries and cream Frappuccino, we're going to use about 4 to 5 ingredients. We'll start with our strawberry puree. So, if you're using a puree, I would suggest to use about 3 ounces of the strawberry puree. If you're using frozen strawberries, use about 8 to 10 pieces. Okay, let's put our 2 ounces of strawberry puree there. And then 1 more ounce. If you're using concentrated syrups or sauce, I suggest you use only 2 ounces for your strawberries and cream frappe. Now that looks really yummy. And then we're going to put 4 ounces of fresh milk. So 4 ounces of fresh milk. We're going to put my favorite secret ingredient, vanilla extract or vanilla syrup. It's about half an ounce of vanilla syrup or just 5 ml or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And because I'm going to make a 16-ounce cup, we have to use 1 full cup and a bit of ice. So the final ingredient is our frappe base, which helps in making your frappe smoother, and also the ingredients do not separate from each other. So we put 2 teaspoons. So that's it. We have all the ingredients in our blender. It's time to start blending. Perfect. And for our final touch, whipped cream. And because it's Christmas, we can give ourselves a special treat. Lots and lots of whipped cream. So to top it all up, I'm going to put our strawberry puree on top. Just drizzle over the whipped cream, and there you have a lovely strawberries and cream Frappuccino, perfect for Christmas. Now for the moment of truth. Perfect, not very sweet, not very sour either. So there you have it, very simple recipe to make your own delicious strawberries and cream Frappuccino. Now you can start to serve them for your guests, your family and your friends during the holiday season. I'm sure they will love you for it. Wishing you all a very, very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. See you soon.